to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to activate DBS Bank debit card. If you want to activate DBS Bank credit card, you have to follow these steps. First of all, launch the application and click on a login button. Enter in your credential and log into your account. After you are logged in, click the more icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is going to take you to the next field where you need to go ahead and select manage cards and loans section, and underneath you simply want to go ahead and click on activate cards. After you do that, you'll be able to see two different options. Select activate credit card. Moving on, you have to go ahead and select or tap the credit card you like to activate. Then you simply want to go ahead and you have to enter in the details of your credit card. Once you do it so, then review the request and tap activate card to complete your card activation request. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.